morning children, how are you? I am Vijayashi Yadav from Techno India Group Public School Bhopal, and today I will teach you Geography Chapter 5 Major Domains of the Earth. Domains means what are the major elements of the Earth, what are the major parts of the Earth through which life exists, life sustaining on the Earth. I have already told you, Earth is only planet where life is sustaining. Why? Due to the air, water, land and sunlight, life is sustaining on the Earth. There are mainly four major domains of the Earth, four elements of the Earth. Number one is lithosphere, number two is atmosphere, third is hydrosphere, and fourth is biosphere. Now what is the lithosphere? The solid portion of the earth on which we live is called the lithosphere. Solid portion on which we live, जिस पे हम लोग रहते हैं, this is called the lithosphere. The earth, crust, rocks, these are the example of lithosphere. Now, what is the atmosphere? The gaseous layer that surround us is called the atmosphere, which we found our surrounding. Which we found the gases in our surrounding is called the atmosphere. What are the gases layer? Nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. These are the gases layer which we found our surrounding is called the atmosphere. Now third one is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means where we only find the water. Our 70% of the earth is covered with the water, and where we find only water, this is called the hydrosphere. Now, the last is biosphere. The biosphere is a narrow zone. It is a narrow zone where we find all the land, water and air, and where all the part on which we live, on which living things can or live, is called the biosphere. Biosphere is a narrow zone where we find land, water, air together, which contain all form of the life. All form of the life means where we are exist, animals can exist, all insects can exist. This is called the all form of the lives. Now I will explain you first lithosphere. What is lithosphere? Lithosphere means solid portion of the earth, and this form of the earth is divided into two parts. One is continent and second is oceans. What is a continent? The continent means the land masses of the earth where we find land. These are called the continents. Where the land masses area of the earth is called the continent. And what is ocean? Ocean means where we find only water. The water bodies of the earth is called the oceans. Now, there are two main divisions of the earth's surface. Large land masses are moon and continents, and the huge water bodies are called the oceans. All the oceans of the world are connected with each other. How many oceans are there? There are four oceans. Number one is Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Antarctic Ocean. They are connected to each other. They are interlinked with each other. Now, the level of the sea water remains same everywhere. Elevation of the land is measured from the level of the sea, which is taken as a zero. Now, I will explain you two parts of the body. How many continents are there? How many oceans are there? Number one, you can see here. So there are 7 continents. You can see in this map. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents you can see in this map. First is North America. First is Asia. Where you find the Asia? This is Asia. Second is Europe. You can see where is in the west of the Asia, there is Europe. You can see here. Then Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, and Antarctica, Australia. These are the 7 continents, these are the land masses of the earth. And there are also 4 oceans. Number one is Pacific Oceans, Indian Oceans, you can see Arctic Ocean. In the north is Arctic Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. These are Atlantic Ocean. There are the four main oceans on the world. Now, I will explain you one by one. Asia. Asia is the largest continent. It covers one of the third of the total land of the area. Asia, what is Asia? Asia is the largest continent of the world and it covers about the one-third of the total land. One-third of the total land means there are 7 continents. Suppose this is 100. In this area, 7 continents are there. And in the 7 continent, only one-third area, one-third means 100 divided by 3 is equal to 33. 33 area of the land is covered by only Asia, and the rest part 6 continents are present. Now Europe. Europe is a smaller area. Europe is much smaller than the Asia. It is too small than the Asia. Asia is the largest continent of the world, and Europe is much smaller than this Asia. Now third one is Africa. Africa is the second largest continent after the Asia. You know which number is Africa? Africa is the second largest second largest continent of the world. The equator of the 0 latitude runs almost through the middle of the continent. You know 0 degree latitude, I have already told you in the last chapter. This is the latitude, and here we find 0 degree latitude. In the middle of this, we find the 0 degree latitude. This is called the 0 degree, and there is a northern hemisphere, this is the southern hemisphere, there is a western hemisphere, this is the eastern hemisphere. They are the 4 parts of this. Now, the Sahara Desert, the world large desert, hot desert is located in the Africa. In the Africa, the Great Sahara Desert, which is the world largest desert, is situated in the Africa. You have listened. I hope you have listened its name. Sahara Desert is the world largest hot desert. Hot desert is located in Africa. The continent is bound on all the sides by the oceans and the sea. And this continent is bounded by all the sides by the oceans. You can see in this map here. Here is surrounding. We mostly find the oceans. Now you can see here in the Africa. Look here. This is Africa. And Africa is surrounded by the water from all sides. Here you can find the water, here you can find the water, and here you can see the slightly, we can find the water. So Africa is surrounded by water from all sides. You can see here, water are surrounded on all sides of the Africa. In the Europe is also surrounded by water from the 3 sides. Only one side is there. From all the 3 sides we find the water. You can see here we also find the water. Here we also find the water, and the 3. So Europe is surrounded by water from its 3 sides. Is clear? Now next is of Africa. North America. North America is the 3rd largest continent. Which is the 3rd in the number? North America is the 3rd largest continent. तीसरे नंबर में सबसे बड़ा continent है of the world. It is linked with the South America by a narrow strip of the land called the Isthmus of the Panama. The continent completed the northern and the western hemisphere. 3 oceans surrounded this continent. Can you name this? Now you can see here. North America. You can see here. This is North America, and this is slightly linked with the South America. And from 3 sides, it is surrounded by the water. You can see from this side, this is surrounded by the water. And this is interconnected with the South America. It is interconnected with the South America. So here we cannot find the water. But all 3 sides, it is surrounded by the water. And you know how many oceans surrounded? You can see here. It is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean, it is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean, and it is also surrounded by the Arctic Ocean. Slightly it is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean. So 3 oceans, so North America is surrounded by the water from the 3 sides and by the 3 oceans. Is clear? Now, North America. South America lies mostly in the southern hemisphere, which two oceans surrounding it, and east and the west. The Andes world longest mountain range run through its land. Which is the world longest mountain? Longest means जो लंबाई में ज़्यादा हो. Which is the longest mountain of the world is Andes world. Andes mountain is somewhere here is situated, and South America has world largest river Amazon. In the South America, you can find the world largest river. जो संसार की सबसे बड़ी रिवर है, जो वर्ल्ड की सबसे बड़ी रिवर है, which name is longest largest Amazon. Amazon is the largest river of the world, which is situated in which is flow in South America. Now Australia is a smaller continent that lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. Australia, southern hemisphere, this is a part of the sun. This is the northern hemisphere and this is the southern hemisphere. You can see here northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The which continent is lies in the southern hemisphere? You can see here. This is Australia. Australia is lies in the southern hemisphere, and I will show you in the map. Look here. This is Australia. Australia is light. This is the northern hemisphere. This is the southern hemisphere, and this is Australia is situated in the southern hemisphere, and it is also surrounded by from all sides of the water. Pacific. This is surrounded by Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. Clear? And last is Antarctica. Antarctica is a very is a smallest smallest continent in all continent. It's Antarctica सभी continent में सबसे छोटा continent है. You can see here it lies in the southern hemisphere, and it is a very small in the size and surrounded by the water from one side. You can see here. Okay. Now Antarctica is completely in the southern hemisphere, a huge continent, and South Pole lies almost center of the continent. It is located in the South Pole region, and there are no permanent human settlement. Many countries have these stations in Antarctica. India has a research station here. This name is the Maitri and the Dakshin Gangotri. It is also known as the Dakshin Gangotri. Now that's all. Tomorrow I will teach you about hydrosphere. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.